Frost Valley is a YMCA camp designed to help people of all ages develop communication and listening skills. Students go to Frost Valley to learn how to work as a team and learn how to communicate with each other and talk to people that you may not talk to all the time. Frost Valley started in 1885 on the shores of Lake Champlain. The campsite stayed there until 1919. They then found a site at the Catskill Mountains. There was 2,200 acres of land. Frost Valley kept growing and growing and is now a 6,000-acre campsite. You have to use teamwork all around the dining hall. You have to use teamwork to set up your table and to get your food. You will then eat family style. Everybody shares the food. There are many responsibilities in the dining hall. First, 2 people have to go in early and set up the table. Once everybody is ready to eat, 1 person will go up and get the food for everyone. When you're done eating, 2 people are assigned to clean up. While cleaning up, you take all the food off of your plates and dump it in a white bucket. Frost Valley does not like to waste anything. While you're cleaning up, you take all the waste off of your plates and put it into a white bucket. Then somebody takes the white bucket to go be weighed. Every day you try and get to 0 pounds of waste. It is important to follow all the dining hall rules. One of the rules is to take only what you can eat. Frost Valley wants you to learn not to take a lot of food so you don't waste as much. Take only as much as you think you're going to be able to eat. Another rule is to serve others first. It is rude to serve yourself first. You should be polite and ask others if they want anything before you do. Another rule is to clean up. It shows responsibility when you clean up after yourself. At Frost Valley, there were 3 main activities. The first activity is the cable bridge hike. The cable bridge hike is about enjoying being outside. The cable bridge hike was fun and made you feel more comfortable with your classmates cheering you on. It builds up your self-confidence when you get across the rope because many people were scared, but they faced their fears. The second activity was an adventure course. Either you did the big swing, the zip line, or the leap of faith. All of these adventure courses are about teamwork. The big swing, the zip line, and the leap of faith, you had to count on each other. These adventure courses increase your bravery because when you are afraid to go, you then overcome your fears with all your friends helping you out. During the adventure courses, you had to communicate with everybody to do it right. The next activity was Project Adventure. During Project Adventure, everybody had to work as a team. There are many different ways for us to communicate together during Project Adventure. Sometimes one person becomes the leader and everybody listens to what they have to say. During our Project Adventure activities, everybody had to work together or else it wouldn't work. The purpose of these activities were to communicate with each other and help each other out. Everybody did different events, but they were all focusing on the same thing: communication, listening, and teamwork. Here are some step-by-step instructions for a couple of the Project Adventure activities. In the first activity, the group of people tie their feet together with bandanas. It looks like a 3-legged race. This is actually called the human centipede. Next, you put 3 hula hoops on the ground about 2 feet apart. The group will then work together to step through the hula hoops. Without stepping in the part where the hula hoops are separated, the kids will work together to get everybody through the hula hoops. The objective is to work together and to communicate, but you must also listen to each other throughout the whole time. The next Project Adventure activity is called Only One Word. The group of people will get letters that are written on 11 cards. You will get instructions that say you must spell only one word with these 11 letters. You will then get together and discuss how you are going to figure it out. You will figure out it literally spells only one word. The objective of this project is to have everybody communicate and for everyone to work together. The purpose of these group activities is to work together, communicate, and listen to each other with people you don't normally talk to or hang out with. You can learn different things about people that you didn't know. The effect that this trip has on kids is very big. You should reach out of your comfort zone and maybe talk to somebody you don't normally talk to. During this trip, you learn to communicate and talk to other people and also listen to them. I think Frost Valley was a good place to go because a lot of people started hanging out with other people that they didn't necessarily talk to and learned more things about each other. Nobody felt left out and everybody was included.